everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well, and I am going to be reviewing some tights today, and the tights are from I guess you could say quintessentially British brand. This brand's been going for a very, very long time, 1936 to be specific. Yeah, unfortunately we don't manufacture them in the UK anymore because most of our hosiery production has ceased. There's only a few, but they are still making them, and they are still a little bit of a British icon in the hosiery world. So they are the brand Charnos, and these are the Charnos Elegance shiny tights, and I have them in an extra large and in the colour silver grey, and these are retailing currently on the Tight Spot, which, as you know, is where I get most of my hosiery from, for £7.95. And as always, I will leave a link to the product along with the information of these specific ones that I wear in the description box below. So if you do like these and you want to get them, just use that link and take you straight to it. So I liked the idea of trying these out in the silver grey. They actually come in quite a lot of different shades. They come in a black, a barely black, let's have a quick look, a dark tan, a golden tan, a natural tan, and a nude. So there's quite a lot of shades there, not suitable for every skin tone, I will admit, but I liked the kind of silver grey. I'm always interested in slightly more unusual. I don't have a lot of grey. So these are a 10 denier. It says they have a subtle, well, it says they have ultra sheer with a subtle shine. They are a boxer brief and they have a sheer toe. So very, very standard kind of hosiery packaging. You can see the product nice and easily, and you can actually pick up that these have a little bit of shine to them as well, which is nice. The back is nice and simple as well, which I love. We like the simplicity completely. So on the back, what does it tell us a little bit more? It says they have a cotton gusset, 10 denier appearance and a sheer toe, luxuriously clear and shiny leg look, 10 denier, regular brief, gusset with cotton and a sheer toe. Yeah, so it's all pretty much the same kind of information. These go up to an extra large from a small, and they are an 89% polyamide and 10% lycra elastane, so they're trademarked with lycra, and the 1% cotton for the gusset. Hand wash and dry separately. So shall we get them open and have a little look? There we go. So I'm looking forward to seeing the colour of these and what they look like on, because I think they're going to be a little bit more sort of effective than the nude. They are looking like a really nice colour actually. Let's get them out of the packet. So they're a 10 denier. They're going to be quite fine with the reinforced top. So they are a very standard boxer brief top to them. It's been a very, very long time since I have bought anything from Charnos. In fact, I'm not actually sure that I've got or tried that many of their products, so I'm not sure whether the extra large is going to be suitable basically. But as always, let's do what I usually do and start from the top. So these are a very, very simplistically standard pair of tights. We've got the usual waistband in that kind of usual texture as well. That kind of, I always say it's like a bandage top to it, but yeah, in the usual sort of texture. I think it's okay. I was wondering whether the seam was a little bit wonky on it, but it isn't. I think obviously once it's stretched out. But it does have a very, very, actually quite a small flat front and back seam, which is nice. And then it goes obviously into the cotton gusset there. So let's take a quick look at that as well. See how well that is done. Yeah, so there we go. Cotton gusset. Nothing too huge, but actually, as you can see, that is perfection in terms of the sewing of that. All the seams are hidden, nicely shaped, etc. And it's also a really nice cottony kind of material there, like a thick sort of proper cotton. And as I mentioned, we have the boxer reinforcement, and you can really see the difference between that and the actual tights themselves. Now, as you know, I'm not a huge fan of this particular style, but you find this on a real classic pair, so it's just sort of common basically. Before I actually put them on my arm, I did want to note that these are shaped. As you can see, the foot is shaped, and you can see a little bit of calf shape as well, which is interesting because again they are a bit more of a standard classic pair of tights, so I wouldn't necessarily expect there to be so much kind of shaping, but you can see just how kind of fine these really are, and they actually look like a really nice texture as well. They have that almost slightly plasticky feel to them that I always say is a good thing because it makes this kind of denier slightly more robust. There's nothing worse than having a 10 denier and then feeling like as soon as you put them on, they're just gonna go. So there's no reinforcement to these. It does say just with a sheer toe. So they're going to look completely sheer, no reinforcement, which is a little bit more unusual for a classic kind of everyday pair of tights to have no reinforcement at all. But that's not a problem for me anyway, but we shall see. I think what I should do is go ahead and put them on. We can see how shiny they are, and we can see how this kind of really soft silvery grey looks against my skin, and whether or not they're worth the price. Okay, so as you can see, I have the tights on, and first things first, they were actually super easy to get on. I had no issues with them at all. Even though they are a 10 denier, they didn't feel too scary to put on. They didn't really feel like they were going to rip. They had a really nice kind of amount of stretch to them. So I wasn't too nervous, especially around the thigh area. I tend to get a bit nervous, but they actually just went on really nicely, to be honest. So let's show you how they're looking. So I'm going to start with the feet, as I always do. And this is how they look on the feet. So obviously, as I said, these don't have any reinforcement at all to them, which isn't an issue. I don't know whether that would become an issue if you wanted to wear these on a more permanent basis for work and things like that. But I think they look really nice on the feet anyway. I think because of that kind of shine, they just sort of, I don't know, they just make it look a little bit nicer, I think. Adds a bit of like streamlinedness to it. So lovely on the feet, really, really nice kind of shine there. And yeah, I think that fitting, the shape that they had kind of lends itself well to fitting around the ankle. There's only, that's just the stretch. There's no sort of bagginess, and everything sort of fits nicely there. But they do catch the light really, really nicely. And there's not a lot of light at the moment, so the fact that they're still sort of catching is quite nice. Now, on me, so at the moment I have a little bit of a tan, but usually I'm quite pale, especially over winter. I do wonder this colour personally whether it would look a little bit too cold on me, but I do think on a darker skin tone that the barely black, it's clearly not barely black, the silver grey would probably be better, but you can never quite tell how sort of grey the pigment's going to be. But let me sort of show you. I do think they've got a really lovely shine to them, and they've actually got quite a nice texture. If you're looking for something that doesn't show any texture, maybe these ones aren't necessarily the best for that. I guess from afar you're not going to notice, but sometimes if I've been out to dinner with somebody, I will kind of sit there and notice that the texture of the tights is really obvious. So if you're wearing nude or pale, you don't always want there to be like quite an obvious texture. And there definitely is on the thigh. But yeah, overall, I think these are a lovely quality, really, really lovely quality. I would try them in different shades as well, actually, because I just think they're a really nice pair of tights. The top of them fits really, really well. And actually, it said they were a boxer brief style, but this, because it's so sheer, this part is really all you can massively see. It's obviously slightly thicker here, but there's very little difference between this part and this part. So you end up with just a really soft sort of band around the thighs, and then that's sort of it, really. So I think they're quite nice because of that. I think maybe with the black ones it'll be a little bit more noticeable, that difference between the boxer brief top and the tights. Barely black, you might get a similar kind of thing there. But overall, I actually think these are a really nice pair of tights in terms of quality. I'm on the fence about the shade. I think it looks nice with the outfit, but it might be a little bit too pale for me. But that's preference and personal choice. I think for an everyday pair of tights, the fit of these is nice. I mean, these are an extra large, so I'm not sure whether or not they're true to size necessarily. I usually buy extra large by default because I find that some brands are fine in a large, but others can be small. So by default, I tend to go for an extra large, which kind of warps my perception of sizing a little bit. But I think always with tights anyway, I tend to just size up. I think if you're somebody that's got more sort of shapely legs, it's always nicer to just size up anyway. But yeah, I think for $7.95, a real classic, lovely pair of tights that you can get in a reasonable variety of different shades. The construction's lovely, the 10 denier appearance is really nice. They feel quite sturdy, robust. I think they're a good kind of price. Yes, you can buy cheaper from the supermarket, in multi-packs and things like that, but the quality isn't always the same. So I think I'm going to give these about an 8.5 out of 10. Or am I? Is that a bit harsh? No, I think I'm going to give them an 8.5 out of 10. Price point, sizing, yeah. So if you're looking for a standalone pair of tights that you're probably going to be able to get a reasonable amount of wear time out of them, I think these would be really nice, really reasonable price, a great kind of brand known for its great kind of manufacturing. So yeah, 8.5. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you are interested, as I said, if you're interested in these tights, you want to take a little look, you can look for the link in the description box below. And if you do decide to purchase some, then you can use my code Langford, and that will get you 10% off your order as well. So win-win all round. But yeah, that's that's it from me, and I will see you for another review very soon. Bye.